Hello everyone, welcome back to the Low English Dictionary channel. As you already know, we have 4 months left until the 52 weeks are done. You can please make sure you subscribe, turn the notification bell on so you never miss a video that we post
when we post. My name is Agina and your name is
Nikki.
Now today we are going to talk about idioms, whatever. We are going to talk about one word that means many things, and this word is GOYO. So we want to put in many meanings. The first one is GOYO thum.
GOYO thum.
GOYO thum.
GOYO thum.
GOYO thum means playing music.
Playing music.
GOYO thum.
GOYO thum.
The next one is GOYO pass.
GOYO pass.
GOYO pass.
GOYO pass.
GOYO pass means
ironing.
Ironing clothes.
If
GOYO pass.
If you'd like to see the video, it will be somewhere up there.
Where? Here?
Yeah.
Up.
Up there.
So, click. No, don't click. Wait. Number 2 is GOYO oriti.
GOYO oriti.
GOYO oriti.
Yeah.
GOYO oriti.
GOYO oriti.
GOYO oriti means saying goodbye.
Yeah.
So saying goodbye is GOYO oriti. Then there is GOYO erokamano.
GOYO erokamano.
GOYO erokamano.
Saying thank you.
Saying thank you, GOYO erokamano.
GOYO erokamano.
That is saying
thank you.
Thank you. The other number is GOYO mpira. Oh, no, not mpira. GOYO adula.
Adula.
Yes, GOYO adula.
Is that football?
Yes, that's football. Kenyan football, not American football.
Yeah.
GOYO adula.
GOYO adula.
GOYO adula means
football. Or soccer.
Playing soccer, yes. Playing soccer, not football. Soccer. Yeah. No, football, Kenyan, American, soccer.
Yeah.
Same thing. GOYO koko.
GOYO koko, making noise.
GOYO koko is making noise. Adwa GOYO koko. GOYO koko. GOYO koko. That is making noise. Then there is GOYO oriti.
You already said that.
Huh? No, did I?
Yes, you did. You forgot this.
Oh, GOYO Rangi. Sorry. I'm sorry. GOYO Rangi.
GOYO Rangi.
GOYO Rangi means painting a house. Adwa GOYO odni rangi. Adwa GOYO Rangi. I want to paint this house. GOYO Rangi. So now last time we did such a video, some people added very useful comments of the idioms. If you have any GOYO that you'd like us to talk about, please add them on the comments so that the next video that has GOYO, we shall appreciate your creation and your contribution. Dongi?
Yeah.
For now, from my end, awachanango?
Oriti.
Tieki.
So, as you know, we have 4 months left. So that means you only have 4 months for I and my dad to work out more of my Luo, so I can progress in my Luo.
See there, she's talking. She's talking like she's going to do anything. But you guys know, and I tell her to give us examples. But we appreciate. If you look at video number 1, the one that we shoot on 1st of January 2019,
whatever,
she did not have any idea. But now she can talk. She can give 3-4 words and then she gets stuck and goes to English or Swahili.
Yeah.
Good. And I will also be talking about why it's important for kids to grow with many languages. The advantages of knowing English, Luo, Swahili, French, German, all these languages. Why you should include all that. Yeah?
Because after the age of 12, you are your mindset.
So you have a deadline.
Yeah, next
year. Yes, next year. So let's help her to get to the number one.
Yeah.
Kuro. Otherwise,
Oriti. Goodbye.
goodbye.